JDSK washing the pups. Washing the first set. Like what, 19 days old? Almost 3 weeks. This is the first real bath I'm giving them. Look at that, boy. I already did 3. I started the video late. But this is how I wash my pups. I use my daughter. Same thing I use on my daughter. Good for the pups. You know?
On the Biryani Day. Daddy's Kennel.
Tell them again. Tell them again. What is it?
Daddy's Kennel.
Step back, Nunu. Before you make the phone fall into the water. Yep, I wet them. And I squeeze twice. And I just rub. Slide back, baby. Nunu, you gotta slide back, boo. I just rub. It's not gonna hurt the pup at all. Don't hurt the baby. It won't hurt the pup. But yeah, this is the first real wash I gave them. I wiped them down twice. You know, I try not to bother them too much. Right, they went, Mama. You know, Mama, because Mama do all the work.
And my Baba.
You see my little minion right here? What this is? JDSK?
JDSK.
Tell them again what it is.
Daddy SK.
Yeah.
Baba, Daddy.
Tell them we got the bullies.
The bullies.
We got the bullies.
The bullies.
Say we got the bullies.
We have the bulls. Those ones you see lining here, whining in the back, they've been washed.
Yeah. That's my Baba is all crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. Fourth bull is about to be clean. And this boy nice. This boy nice.
Yeah.
Blue tri with blue eyes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Slide back, Nunu. Get back. Now slide back, baby. Let me dry the pups off. Having pups is definitely a whole job. You know.
I just killed.
You know.
Oh, puppy like me.
Puppies are just like kids.
The puppy is all kids.
Look, she mimicking everything I say.
Everything I did. Everything I did.
Look, another clean, healthy pup. Let me show y'all this boy. Cause this boy here nice. And he's still available. This boy is still available. Look at him. Nice. You see him? Look. Look. Check him out. Look. What you think? What y'all think? What you think? Huh? What you think? Look, he say this is my good side right there. Make sure you get the good side. Yeah. Another one. Whew. I'm hot, tired. Whew. Look at this pretty girl. Whew. She's still available too. Huh? She say this her good side. Look. Yeah. She say, this is my good side too.
I'm not good girl. Hello, Aya.
You said get back, baby, before you make the phone fall into the water. Well, you can talk into the camera, but don't make the phone fall into the water. What's your favorite puppy, Nunu?
Creed.
Creed?
Yeah.
Creed.
My baby, Dad.
Hmm?
My baby.
My favorite?
You get a Mickey.
Michi is my favorite.
And Kato's mommy baby.
Kato's mommy favorite?
Yeah.
Bubba, what's your favorite? The two new pups? Yeah, you always like the puppies. Until they get big and you don't like none of them.
I like the tri-boy that you just washed.
Oh yeah, he's very nice. If I was gonna keep one off this litter,
It would be him.
it would definitely be him.
And it's an ass kennel.
Jamal wanted to buy him, but he said he just gonna buy one from Zoe litter. Yeah, we got pups available at JDSK.
That's
Yeah.
SK.
Good quality pups.
Good lollipop.
Yeah.
Good lollipop. And then I'm playing my cream.
You say you got lollipops and you play with Creed.
Hmm?
You got lollipops.
I'm playing my cream?
How many lollipops you got? You gonna get Daddy one?
Yeah.
Daddy can get one of your lollipops?
Can Bubba get one?
Green one. You
Which
get
one can I get one? What color can I get?
green one.
She said you get the green one. She don't like the green one.
You don't like the green ones?
You look it.
I don't think I tried the green ones before.
Nina, get back to your top, baby. Whew. Fly, baby, boo.
Oh, that's the girl.
Freddie,
That's the
hold,
ass
stop. Take off one of
kennel.
your shoes, Freddie. Let me see the bottom of your shoe. Let me see the bottom of the other shoe. What about mine?
It's the mine, Baba.
What is your other? Show me your other feet.
Let me see one.
Mm-mm.
I think it's probably those puppies.
We'll see it in a minute.
And that's just kennels.
JDS Kennels?
Yeah.
You like JDS Kennels?
Yeah.
That's gonna be yours.
No.
Inshallah, guys, with JDS Kennels gonna be yours. Look, here we go. Look at this big girl. Big girl.
They said you can pass Jesus can
They was born on the 7th of this month.
The map.
Look how chunky
One
she
little
is. Big chunky. Chunky. She gonna be a sable. Like the boy that I kept.
Oh, like these.
Come on, Freddie. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down.
Yeah.
3 to go. A lot of work.
Your boy?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's the boy.
Got the ankle hurting too. Come here, boy. Look at this boy. Look at this ghost try.
One Dad?
You see?
Yeah.
Ghost try. You see those markings on him?
Yeah.
Yeah, that boy, they're nice.
Yeah.
We're one of the dogs
No.
started. 'Cause it's-
No. Come on, get back, baby. I keep telling you that, boo boo.
Okay. Daddy asked kennels has been freedom public. The big puppy from Canada.
JDS Kennels. We got the puppies.
The kennels and furies. And is it puppy from coming?
Yeah. This ghost try. He's nice too, Freddie. I wouldn't mind keeping him though.
Yeah.
This one might be that little
Off this
meaty.
litter. I still might keep some off this litter.
I want my
Because-
drink.
We got those 2 girls over there. You know?
Yeah.
What
And if
is
you
that?
keep one of these, one a boy, you
I
can
want it.
breed one of the more girls that one of the boys that you catch.
But I got Creed for that. But these boys nice though.
Wow, that is
Last
wonderful.
litter she didn't have no ghost try.
Wow, that's so cute.
Puppy so cute.
Yeah, my cute baby.
He say I'm gonna look a whole lot better once
Like
I
this?
finish getting a bath.
Yeah.
You know, no more.
Wasn't okay? The Maori did and the Bode good.
Yeah, because you can keep like 2 boys with this sweater there.
Nah, definitely not.
No?
Mom, I got Creed and Michi.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Here, 2 more boys, you got Creed and Michi.
That's my Creed.
That's Nunu Creed.
Yeah. It's Baba Creed. My Creed too. It's Baba my Creed.
Because I was thinking you could keep little, like Mickey Creed. 3 and the boy that is coming.
No, slide back, baby.
And let them breed with the Merle, one of the Merle girls, and then
They not Merle, Freddie. They tries.
the girls?
Yeah, they not Merle. It's try.
The tribe.
What color is Merle? What do Merle look like?
It's like a very, it's like a brownish gray.
No, it's not Freddie. It's the one that got different markings and all those little different colors on them.
You don't leave the thing alone.
They mom is Merle. They dad is Try. You hear me?
Oh yeah. So that's where they get their try from, their dad. Boy. No, it's a girl.
Another blue Try. He's not, his mark is not dark as the other one or as deep, but he's definitely
Let me do
Try.
that.
You finna bite. Finish this.
Keep having me. 'Cause the
I'm trying to come up with something, you know. I know a little something about dogs. I don't know a whole lot. No. Hush, baby. Let daddy talk, okay?
No want to breathe you.
I don't know a lot about dogs, but I do know about dogs.
I want my 2 dogs.
You know? Boy, they're enjoying this wash. You enjoying this wash, boy? You hear that? Sound like a little lion, boy. Ooh, sound like a little lion. What's up, boy? You looking at me? Pretty boy. Try to get some good pictures and videos of them once I wash them. You know, this definitely is a full-time job taking care of dogs. You know, yeah, I still got my day job. This is my second job. Then with kids, whew, you stretch real thin, but it's all worth it in the end. You know. You know, I don't think I'm gonna ever have any exotics. You know, I like the bigger dogs. You know, the standards, the classics, XL. You know, extreme. At JDS Kennels.
Yeah.
Like she said, she the boss. I work for her.
Yeah.
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 When I get paid, when you gonna pay me? Huh? You gonna pay me? Yeah.
Yeah.
How much you gonna pay Bubba?
I'm going to lie.
You gonna pay Bubba?
Yeah.
How much you gonna pay Bubba?
$1 million.
Say, nah, I ain't gonna give you that much.
I'm gonna give you that.
Say you gonna put him on the salary and he gonna work for you, huh?
I'm gonna work to you, huh? I love that girl. That's the
It's
mommy.
a boy, Nana. It's not a girl.
You wanted the puppies poop, Freddie? No? I'm talking about the 2 girls, Freddie, out of the 2 girls. What you screaming for, boy? You drying off now. The hard part is over. Go check. What you squirming for, little man? You getting dry now. Yeah, look at the boy. Say, look at me. I'm nice and clean. Say, hey, everybody, look at me. Everybody. Okay. Yeah, this boy here nice too. You nice, ain't boy. Yeah, you nice. Last one, Freddie. Come back down. Look at
Boy.
me. This a boy?
Yeah.
Look at the head on Bessie. Look at the head on Bessie. Freddie, put them in front of the heat lamp, son. Freddie, come around this way, son. You're stepping in there with him, son. Just put them all right here. Just put them all right here, Freddie. Right there, Freddie. Yeah, right there. That's it. Whew. I need 8 hands. Arms too. Yeah, like the video, subscribe. You know, let's grow the channel. You know, this is a family thing. You know, I know y'all like to see puppies, dogs in general. You know, we gotta take Kato outside. Gotta clean that side of the box. You know,
I love it a little bit.
A woman got killed in Britain. In Puppies.
6 o'clock?
Huh?
6 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Hey, boy.
Hey,
She had some nice boys out of this from
It
him.
doesn't go down.
I think I know where that's at.
That doesn't go.
Yes, Freddie. That's like
That doesn't
downtown
go.
Britain.
Yeah.
That doesn't go.
It's a boy.
Go.
I'm telling you, it's a boy.
That's a boy, not a girl.
Not a girl. You a girl.
No, girl.
What you is, a baby girl?
No.
Nunu is a girl.
No, not a girl. You didn't get that.
They gonna be nice and clean. I think tomorrow I'm gonna try my smush for the first time. You know, try to wing them off mama. You know, I'm not just gonna take them off cold turkey because that'd be hard for the pups, even mom. But I'm gonna slowly transition them to dog food. You know, about that time to start winging them. You know, I'm gonna deworm them again for the second time today. I dewormed them when they was 2 weeks, and I'm gonna deworm them today for the next 5 days. I'm gonna deworm them. Deworming is important in the health of your dogs, even grown dogs. You know, you want to at least deworm your grown dogs at least once a month. You know, I use this stuff called Safeguard. Yeah, that's all 8 pups. I'm finna clean up a little bit and I'll be right back with y'all.